Hi you guys, sorry there was a mix-up here, so I am starting over, I guess. So basically I'm using 5x7. I'm gonna be using the Holtz stacked Baroque and Nautical by Crafters Company paper pad. So I just took 5x7, cut down my regular 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. Okay, so we're not gonna stick this on. That's why I'm making sure I don't do that, because we are actually gonna raise it up on pop-up dots. So what I want to do, I want to use Holtz dies, the ones I just told you, the Baroque ones, and I'm gonna make a little window on here because I would like to use the Tulle on there. So I'm gonna line that up, put this on here, put it on my big shot. I cut that out. And there we go. Nice and simple. Okay, get that off. And then what I would like to do is basically raise this up. But I want to do a couple of things before we do that. I want to add Tulle to the background. So this is a brand new one from the dollar store. And don't forget to visit lilyoftheval77.etsy.com to purchase my cards. And I will post the link in there. Okay, so I'm just going to use a small piece. And what I want to do is I want to insert it right on there. Like have it a see-through. So we don't need too big of a piece. Put it on here. Leave some room so I can glue it on there. Now what we're going to do is take some of this tape here and use it to glue this down. So I'm going to take the little scissors. Makes it easier. Okay, we're going to put that on here. Like that. Another piece here. Kids are playing outside, I guess. School probably is out. In our state, they're back to school. Hybrid, but they're still back in school now. And then one more piece I'm gonna put right here, like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this off. Just like that. All these little pieces. Okay, now this little piece that we just trimmed, I'm gonna put it right on top here. Make sure nothing is sticking out, but it's stretched out well on there. If you do have something sticking out, you can just trim it. It's not a big deal. Like I have it on top here. Just gonna trim it so it's not gonna bother me. Okay, so now we have this little see-through right there. And what I'd like to do, I have this little bird here that I'd like to glue right on top of my see-through window. So I'm gonna use some glue, I think, to put it on there. Actually, I'm gonna do it on both sides. Just thought about it. What I'm gonna do is put this bird right on top here, glue it on there, and then I have another bird that I cut out that I'm gonna just basically glue right on top of it, just like this. So I'm gonna put it right on top of it, so that way it's on both sides. The little bird is on both sides. Oh, but then it doesn't really matter. Nobody's gonna be able to see it anyways. I just remembered this is gonna be like that, so it's not a see-through when you open it, so that's fine. I'm not gonna glue that bird. So we just have this one on there, like that. Okay, so another thing that I was thinking of doing is I wanna try cutting out 2 layers and see if it'll work or not, of just brown. So I'm gonna try it out and see if I like it or not. Okay, well, just gonna do it this way, I think. Just gonna trim this piece out. And then I'm gonna use my little one right here, my mini, not midi. And that's gonna fit right in here. And I can just run it through here. I love this little machine here. Just like that. Okay. I glue away my scissors in its place. All these things so they're not everywhere. So this is what happens when you line them up just like I did. Cuts out a frame, and since that is in brown, I wanted it to go right on top here, and that should match up perfectly because my middle die is exactly the same one I used to die cut. So here's what it does. So this is without and this is with it. You can do it even on like a sparkly brown or a different shade of brown. It's up to you. But I did not want to leave it brown. I want it to be blue. So I want to have this little piece back here be in blue. So I'm gonna line up this background here, right under the card. And then I'm gonna trim this piece down maybe like that to make sure it's long enough. And then what I'm gonna do is line it up and then tape it on. So let's put some glue on the background because I want to make sure it's all blue and not all brown, because the sky is not brown. So since I'm trying to make a little bird in the sky, I wanted it to be in blue. So, and I'm putting glue so that way I have some time to adjust it while I make sure it's all right underneath this. So let's lift this up, and that way we'll make sure it's right under this, like that. And so it gives us that little blue shadow in the back, like that. And then the frame, I'm gonna glue this on. There we go. glue this right on top of here. And with the glue, it also gives me time to adjust it. Just like that. Okay. So that's what I have. And so what I can do is put this onto pop-up dots. Another thing that I could do, and which I'm considering of maybe doing, is getting some shaker elements in there. So I might do that. Okay. Get some more in here. I'll show you in a second what it's going to look like when it's popped up. If you do make it into a shaker, you got to make sure you set it up where you have right here all of that area with like something like a foam, but it needs to be a consistent one. It cannot be one that has been has holes in between. So here's what I'm thinking about, like that. What do you guys think? And then I can add happy birthday to here. So I have these words die cut. So I can do maybe birthday here. And then the happy can go. Let's poke this out. I haven't pulled it out yet. But I matched up the brown color to it. So I did a little bit of prep work to make it easier. And then we can do like a happy up here and a birthday, like that. So a happy birthday card, or you can put the happy birthday inside, leave the top as it is, and then have the happy birthday words inside of the card, like this. So any of my cards, I can, well, most of the cards, I can add words to it. So if you have a card that it's blank, it's got nothing in there, you can have me add it to the inside or the top. I also do, I can do a special message inside. So if you have a message you want me to print out, and I can even send my card straight to the person you'd like them to go to. So if you have a card that you like and you don't want to have to pay shipping twice, you can purchase my card and I can ship it right to the person you'd like it to go to. So that is my demo for you guys today. I hope you like it. I might add something else to it. I don't know yet. I always tend to change things up, but I really wanted to try this Tulle stuff. So that's what it is. I might come back with an ink, or I might come back with and make it into a shaker. I don't know yet, so we will see. But thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for looking. And I don't know if Tim Holtz still sells these. I just, this one is from Hobby Lobby, so they might still be there. I don't know. But you can use any of the nesting dies. You can do circles, you can do ovals, you can do squares, whatever you want. So it's up to you. And that's just an idea, basically, of a card. If you'd like to purchase this card, you can either leave a message in the comments or go ahead and visit my shop at Lily of the Veil. Let me know there, because it takes me a little while to get all my cards posted to my Etsy shop, because I have over 200 cards. So it takes a while to add everything in there, or I'm working in the process of updating my shop also with all kinds of stuff. So it's taking me time. That's why I basically don't have as many lives as I usually used to do. I try to do one a lot more often, but here I am. I finally got around to doing one. So I've been really wanting to try this Tulle one. Thank you so much, blabbing on. So I'm gonna let you go. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.